Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious lemon mojito without soda. First, grab about 8-10 fresh mint leaves and 2 lemon wedges. Place them into a sturdy glass. Next, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Now, gently muddle these ingredients together for about 15-20 seconds. This step is crucial for releasing the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lemons, creating a vibrant base for your drink. Now that your mint and lemon are muddled, it's time for more lemon. Squeeze in about 1 1/2 ounces of fresh lemon juice. This adds a bright, tangy kick to your mojito. After adding the juice, fill your glass completely with ice cubes. Using plenty of ice ensures your drink stays perfectly chilled and refreshing, especially on a warm day. Don't skimp on the ice. With the ice in place, it's time to complete your mojito. Carefully top the glass with about 4 to 5 ounces of cold, still water. This replaces the soda, keeping it light and crisp. Once the water is added, give everything a good stir. Make sure the sugar is fully dissolved and all the flavors are well combined. A long spoon works best for reaching the bottom of the glass. Your refreshing lemon mojito is almost ready. For the perfect finishing touch, add a fresh lemon sliced to the rim or inside the glass. A small sprig of fresh mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its fragrance, makes an excellent aromatic garnish. Serve your homemade mojito immediately and enjoy this vibrant, soda-free drink. Cheers to a simple, delicious, and refreshing beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.